Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Maiza Fatania Arismarini. I'm from 7.4 and I'm 14 attendance list. So today I will explain about my math material. So my math material in my course is the reflection. So the reflection is A3 means 5 x-axis, and then A8 3 and 5, and then reflection mirror, and then the mirror is x-axis. So the x-axis is A x y x-axis and A x mean y. So the number 2 is A x y and y axis A and mean x and y. So the number 3 is y then x. The A is x, y. So the y is x, and then A, y, and x. So the example is complete the following transformation. So the square is about B is 2 minus 5, and 2A, the number A is A3 mean 1 and mean 90 rotation. A1 mean 3, and the B is B mean 2 and 5, 217 rotation. B 5 2. So the number C is C minus 4 1. There is 118 rotation. C 4 mean 1. The number D is D 5 6 mean 207 rotation, and D mean 6 5. So that is I say. So, wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.